David with Lawnadaire's Mobile Detailing. I'm buffing out this old Jeep. I think this is a 60-something Jeep. 67, I believe the gentleman said. But it's really oxidized, as you can see. Here I have actually been working on this area of the hood. But then you get over here, I haven't touched this. It's really oxidized all over. Pretty heavy oxidation. In the back here, this thing needs a lot of work. And when I get done buffing it out, I'll show you the end result. It's going to look really good. David with Lawnadaire's Mobile Detailing signing off.